the part two of a video. We had some technical issues, so we couldn't, you know, continue the video. Okay, guys, I've already put in my chicken into my halogen oven. I'm using a smart home halogen oven, and I've put my chicken in 50 minutes on 225 degrees Celsius. And look, it's on. Okay, now our stew is still on fire and it's beginning to bubble up, so we will not forget our chicken stock. So I'm going to pour it into the pot, and then now I'm going to get a turning spoon and give it the last stir it deserves. Okay, stir it. Now when we stir it, we're going to leave it for like 20 minutes for it to, bubble up very well and combine really well with the chicken stock. Okay, now guys, it's 20 minutes time, and guys, you can look at this beautiful, oh my goodness, I don't know how to explain this, but the aroma that's filled in my kitchen is really, really, really good. The smell is amazing. Oh my goodness, I actually feel like digging into this now. Okay, now it's bubbling up, so I'm going to give it another stir to make sure everything was well combined. Okay, now cover the pot half-sided so it won't spoil quickly. Then off your gas cooker. The bubbling stops. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cover it up, and then our stew is ready. So now moving on to our chicken in the halogen oven. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous color. Oh my goodness. I actually wish I could eat this right now, but I'm making this stew against Sunday, because tomorrow we're having really big stuff going on in our church. So like, I think it's a get together feast or something like that. We're going to get food and you exchange stuff like that to give to people in the church, because